Hello students, welcome to my video lecture. First Brahmanath. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. In last class we discussed conjugate of a complex number, modulus of a complex number with properties. Again, suppose z is equal to x plus iy, then conjugate of z is denoted by z bar, and z bar is equal to x minus iy. That is, just change the sign of imaginary part only. If z lies in first quadrant, then z bar lies in fourth quadrant, and vice versa. If z lies in second quadrant, then z bar lies in third quadrant, and vice versa. That is, z bar is the image of z with respect to x-axis. Similarly, modulus of z. Suppose z is equal to x plus iy is a complex number, okay, where x and y both are positive. Then modulus of z is denoted by mod of z is equal to mod of x plus iy is equal to square root of x square plus y square. That is square root of real z square plus imaginary z square. So mod of z is always greater than or equal to 0. That is, mod z gives only non-negative value. Today we are going to discuss a representation of a complex number on Argand plane. That is geometry of complex number. Geometry of complex number. Okay. The complex number geometry of complex number. Geometry of complex number or representation of a complex number in the Argand plane. Okay. The complex number z is equal to x plus iy. The complex number z is equal to x plus iy can be represented with the ordered pairs, or can be associated with the ordered pairs, can be associated with the ordered pairs, p bracket x comma y, p bracket x comma y. Okay, the complex number z is equal to x plus y can be associated with the ordered pair p bracket x comma y. We consider pair of or two perpendicular lines. We consider two perpendicular lines x dash ox and y dash oy on the plane called real axis and imaginary axis respectively. That is, x dash ox is called real axis, y dash oy is called imaginary axis. Here O is called origin of reference. Here O is called origin of reference, and the plane is called Argand plane. What? Argand, A-R-G-A-N-D, Argand plane or Gaussian, G-A-U-S-S-I-N, Gaussian plane, or also called complex plane. Okay, also called complex plane. Okay, next, Z is represented the point P. The Z is represented the point P corresponding to the order pair x comma y. Corresponding to the ordered pair x comma y. So this one real axis, this one imaginary axis. This is x, O, x dash, y, O, y dash, y, O, y dash. So x, O, x dash is called real axis. Y, O, y dash is called imaginary axis. This is called imaginary axis. Okay, so point P is the affix of Z. This is the point P having coordinate x comma y. So join OP, draw PM perpendicular to OP, a perpendicular to x axis. This is perpendicular. Okay, this is perpendicular. Join OP and draw PM perpendicular to x axis, meet at M. Okay, therefore from the figure OM is equal to x, PM is equal to y. OPM is a right angled triangle. So this implies mod of OP square is equal to mod of OM square plus PM square, that is equal to x square plus y square. So this implies mod of OP square root of x square plus y square is equal to mod of z. Mod of z, this is z. Z means this is x plus iy. Okay. So mod of z means the distance OP, distance from the point P to origin O. Okay, this is OP length. Or OP can be taken as r, small r. Let अगर मैं r भी नहीं परिवा, r is equal to square root of x square plus y square. Okay. तो coordinate of m is x comma 0. So this length is x, this length is y. Okay. तो ये ला m is x comma 0, that means x plus I into 0. और हम it is नब्बा, this is n means 0 comma y. 0 comma y means 0 plus I into y. So this is purely real, this is purely imaginary. Okay. So when the point lies in positive x axis, so x plus I into 0. When z lies in negative, when z lies in positive x axis, it is x plus I into 0. When z lies in positive y axis, x coordinate 0, that is x 0 plus I into y. Okay. Next, argument of z or amplitude of z. Argument. Argument of z or amplitude of z. Okay, argument of z or amplitude of z. This is an Argand plane, x, y, this is x dash, this is y dash, this is origin. This is a point P with coordinate x comma y. This is PM perpendicular to x axis. This is OP. Okay, this length is x, this length is y. This is r is equal to root x square plus y square. The line OP, suppose the line OP makes theta angle with positive x axis or positive real axis in positive sense, that means anti-clockwise sense, then the angle theta is called argument of z or amplitude of z. Okay, again let z is equal to x comma y. Okay, and the point P having coordinate x comma y. So the line OP makes theta angle. Line OP makes theta angle with positive direction of real axis or x axis in anti-clockwise sense, that is positive angle, anti-clockwise sense, then theta is called argument of z or amplitude of z. Okay. The angle, let z is equal to x plus iy, represented a point P bracket x comma y in Argand plane. Okay, in Argand plane. Okay. The angle theta theta which OP makes with positive direction. OP makes with positive direction, that is anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction of x-axis or real axis. X-axis or real axis is called the angle theta which OP makes with the positive direction of x-axis real axis in anti-clockwise sense. Anti-clockwise sense is called argument of Z or amplitude of Z, and is denoted by amplitude. Argument means ARGZ or AMPZ. ARGZ or AMPZ. Okay, ARGZ or AMPZ. From the figure or from the triangle OPM, angle MOP is equal to theta. Okay, so this implies OM by OP is equal to cos theta. So OM means x is equal to OP cos theta, OM is equal to OP cos theta. So OM means x, OP means what? R. So R cos theta, x is equal to R cos theta. Also PM divided by OP is equal to sin theta. So implies PM is equal to OP sin theta. So what is PM? PM is Y. PM is Y is equal to OP. OP means R sin theta. So x is equal to R cos theta, y is equal to R sin theta. Okay. Also y by x is equal to R sin theta by R cos theta. R cancel. Sin by cos is tan theta. So tan theta is equal to y by x. Implies theta is equal to tan inverse y by x. Tan inverse theta is equal to tan inverse y by x. Theta is equal to tan inverse y by x. Okay, or is equal to tan inverse, what is y? Y is the imaginary part of z divided by x is the real part of z. Okay, this is theta, that means argument of z. Argument of z is equal to tan inverse. Tan inverse not equal to 1 by 10. Tan, suppose tan theta is equal to 1, or suppose tan 45 is equal to 1, tan 45 degree is equal to 1. So 45 degree is equal to tan inverse 1. So tan inverse 1 means 45 degree. Tan inverse root 3 means 60 degree. Tan inverse 1 by root 3 means 30 degree. Okay. So similarly tan inverse IMPZ divided by REZ. IMPZ divided by REZ. Okay. नोट की मन रख रही है। This theta is not unique, means argument of z is not, theta means argument of z. So argument of z, arg of z is not unique. Argument of z means theta, that is theta has infinitely many values. Theta has infinitely many values, differ by multiple of 2 pi. Differ by multiple of 2 pi. Okay, multiple of 2 pi. The unique value of theta, that means the unique value of theta, such that minus pi less than theta less than is equal to pi, that is theta belongs to semi-open minus pi to semi-closed pi, means pi included minus pi not included. Okay, is called principal value of theta, principal argument of z, and is denoted by PR arg z or capital A small r g, okay, arg z, principal argument of z or capital A small r g z. Okay, ये ला principal argument of z. Next, general argument is denoted by general argument of z is denoted by small letter argz, ये ला general, ये ला unique, capital A rg means unique, this is general, and argz is equal to capital ARGZ plus 2k pi comma k belongs to z, means multiple of 2 pi. तो ये है प्रिंसिपल आर्गुमेंट, दिस इज कॉल्ड प्रिंसिपल आर्गुमेंट। प्रिंसिपल आर्गुमेंट lies between minus pi to plus pi, minus pi not included whereas plus pi included, so they are called principal, this is called principal argument, this is called general argument. So principal argument is unique value, but general argument means infinitely many values. तो अर्थ principal argument plus multiple of 2 pi is known as general argument. देखो ठीक है, ये है प्रिंसिपल, दिस एंगल इज प्रिंसिपल आर्गुमेंट। ओके, अच्छा यही जगह पहुँच जाए एक मुझे कौन कर 2 पाई मत आड करा पड़ो, तो थीटा इज कॉल्ड प्रिंसिपल आर्गुमेंट प्लस दिस वैल्यू इज 2 पाई। ओके, वन सर्कल एगेन आउ थे पहुँच जाए एगेन 2 पाई आड करा पड़ो, 4 पाई एगेन 2 पाई 6 पाई, दैट मीन्स प्रिंसिपल आर्गुमेंट प्लस इवन इंटीजर पाई is known as general argument. Okay, value of the principal argument, values of the principal argument in different quadrant or axis. Okay, let z is equal to x plus iy. Okay, so real z, imaginary z, next quadrant or axis, principal argument. Okay, suppose real z 0, imagine z 0, ये ला origin not defined means z is equal to 0, real z means x, imagine z means y, x0 y0 means principal argument not defined. Next, x greater than 0, real z is positive and this is 0. This type x axis is y axis means positive x axis, z lies in positive x axis, तो एंगल इज 0 डिग्री, एंगल इज 0 डिग्री, tan inverse 0. ओके, नेक्स्ट x एग्जाम्पल नहीं पार z इज इक्वल टू एग्जाम्पल नहीं पार है ना, नेक्स्ट x इज लेस देन 0 y 0, तो x z लाइस इन नेगेटिव x एक्सिस, दिस इज z, तो आंसर इज पाई, दिस इज पाई एंगल, आंसर इज पाई मीन्स argument of z, principal argument of z is pi. If x is equal to 0, y greater than 0, means this is the curve x, this is y, z lies in this z lies in positive y axis. Z lies in positive y axis means angle pi by 2. Angle is pi by 2. Angle is pi by 2. Okay. Next, x is equal to 0, y less than 0. This is z. X, y. This is z. Angle is minus pi by 2. Angle is minus pi by 2. Minus pi by 2. If z lies in negative y axis, if z lies in negative y axis, z lies in negative y axis, then angle is minus pi by 2. Minus pi by 2, not okay. Minus pi by 2, clockwise sense. It is anti-clockwise. This is clockwise sense. That is negative. Minus pi by 2. Okay. If x greater than 0, y greater than 0, that means first quadrant. First quadrant means 8 point x, y. First quadrant. So this is tan inverse y by x. Tan inverse, both are positive, so tan inverse y by x. Tan inverse y by x. Next, x less than 0, y greater than 0. Second quadrant. At point. So L angle. This is the angle theta. ये angle दो theta. ये the angle theta. तो कौन आशुड़ा असला? This is pi minus tan inverse mod of y by x. Pi minus tan inverse mod of y by x. Pi minus tan inverse mod of y by x. Pi minus. The whole is pi minus tan inverse mod of y by x. Okay. Next, x greater than 0, x less than 0, y less than 0. Means x negative, y negative lies in third quadrant. This is a third quadrant. Third quadrant means this is the figure. This is the point P. Here x axis, this is y axis is origin. Okay, the third quadrant, x comma y, both x and y negative. So angle is this angle. So clockwise sense means negative. The whole one is minus pi. The whole one is minus pi plus this angle. Okay. So this is minus pi, theta principal angle is equal to minus pi plus tan inverse mod of y by x. This is tan inverse. This angle is, the whole is minus pi plus etigi is equal to this angle. So minus pi plus tan inverse, minus pi plus tan inverse. This is the required angle. This is the required angle. ये angle है required angle. तो required angle केमिति आसीबो? ये whole है minus pi. Minus pi एतिके ऐड कराबो. ये angle ऐड कराबो. ये angle केते ना tan inverse mod of y by x. Okay. Next, x greater than 0, y less than 0. Fourth quadrant. This is the point P, x comma y. This is the point P, x comma y. This is x axis, this is y axis. L angle. So angle theta. So कौन आस्टुडे? Minus tan inverse mod of y by x. Lies in fourth quadrant. P lies in fourth quadrant. Use the formula minus tan inverse mod of y by x. Minus tan inverse mod of y by x. Okay. यही फॉर्मूला यूज करते मैं एंगल बाहर करिवो. ओके है कि there are some questions. Find the principal argument of the following complex numbers. Okay. तो आंसर 1. Let z is equal to 1 plus I root 3. Z is equal to 1 plus I root 3 means comparing x plus iy. Therefore x is equal to 1 greater than 0, y is equal to root 3 greater than 0. So belongs to first quadrant. Both x and y positive. So z lies in first quadrant. Therefore principal argument of z is equal to simply tan inverse mod of y by x is equal to tan inverse what is y? Y is root 3 by 1. So tan inverse root 3. Tan inverse root 3 means 60 degree. That means pi by 3. This is argument of z. Second one, let z is equal to minus root 3 plus 1 into i. Therefore x is minus root 3 less than 0. Y is equal to 1 greater than 0. So lies in second quadrant. Therefore principal argument of z is equal to pi minus, use the formula, pi minus tan inverse mod of y by x. Pi minus tan inverse mod of y. What is y? Y is 1 by minus root 3. Okay, minus root 3. So implies principal argument of z is equal to pi minus tan inverse 1 by root 3. कहीं minus 1 root 3 mod is plus. Okay, so is equal to pi minus tan inverse minus root 3 means 30 degree. So pi by 6. So is equal to 5 pi by 6. Next 3 let z is equal to 2 root 3 minus 2i. So x is equal to 2 root 3 greater than 0. Y is equal to minus 2 less than 0. So lies in fourth quadrant. Therefore theta is equal to theta means argument of principal argument of z is equal to minus tan inverse mod of y by x minus tan inverse minus 2 by 2 root 3 2 to cancel. So minus tan inverse 1 by root 3 is equal to minus pi by 6. Tan inverse 1 root 3 means pi by 6. So this is minus pi by 6. Okay. Next fourth one, let z is equal to 1 plus 2i divided by 1 minus I whole square. So first simplify this. 1 plus 2i divided by 1 minus I whole square means 1 plus I square minus 2i. 1 plus 2i divided by 1 minus 1 minus I square plus 2i is equal to 1 plus 2i divided by 1 cancel. I square is minus 1. So minus plus 1 plus 2i. Since I square is equal to minus 1. The cancel 1 means 1 plus I into 0. Therefore x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1, y equal to 0 means lies in positive x axis. Z lies in positive real axis. Okay, therefore principal argument of z is equal to 0 degree. Tan inverse, or use the formula, tan inverse mod of y by x. Tan inverse y is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. So this is 0 degree. Tan inverse 0 is 0. Okay. Next 5 let z is equal to minus 7i. So 0 plus minus 7 into i. So x is 0, y is minus 7. So z lies in negative y axis. Okay. therefore principal argument of z is equal to pi, this is what, x, this is minus pi by 2 or is equal to minus tan inverse mod of y by x minus tan inverse minus 7 by 0, so minus tan inverse infinity, so minus pi by 2, minus pi by 2. Okay. Next sixth number, let z is equal to minus 2 plus I into 0, so x is minus 2 less than 0, y is equal to 0, therefore z lies in negative x axis. Negative x axis means it is z rahela, this is minus 2 comma 0, so angle is this, so therefore principal argument of z is equal to pi, or this is a pi, or pi minus tan inverse mod of y by x, pi minus tan inverse y is equal to 0, x is minus 2, so pi minus tan inverse 0, so pi minus 0 is equal to pi. Okay, so this is a pi. So using the given formula we can find the value of principal argument of z. Okay. Next, properties of argument. Before starting the properties of argument, first we shall discuss polar form of a complex number and Eulian form of a complex number. Okay. Polar form of a complex number. Polar form or trigonometric form of a complex number. Okay, let z is equal to x plus iy. So z is equal to x plus iy means we can write in Argand plane, this is x, this is y, this is origin, point P having coordinate x comma y, this is OP. So r is equal to root over x square plus y square, this is OM, this is x, this is y, and this is theta. Okay, so from the figure x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. Therefore z is equal to r cos theta plus I into r sin theta. Okay, so is equal to r into this is cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay, where theta is called principal argument of z. Okay, and this is called polar form. So z is equal to x plus iy, this is called Cartesian form, and is equal to r into cos theta plus I sin theta. And polar form और आपको हमें कौन लिखिए r कमा थीटा फॉर्म, पोलर फॉर्म और r एंड थीटा फॉर्म. ओके, ताको आम x कमा y कहूँ. अच्छा, और p ब्रैकेट रे x कमा y एटा p r कमा थीटा, दैट इज नॉट x इज इक्वल r नुहे कि y इज इक्वल थीटा नुहे. दिस इज कार्टेशियन फॉर्म, दिस इज पोलर फॉर्म. Cartesian form means x and y form, polar form means r and theta form. Okay, so r and theta is known as, what is theta? Theta is equal to principal argument of z, and r is equal to the length OP, that is mode of z. R is equal to mode of z is equal to root x square plus y square. Theta is equal to principal argument of z. Okay, so this is called polar form. So remember this, ये ला polar form, ये ला Cartesian form. Okay. Eulerian form of a complex number. Eulerian form of a complex number. Okay. Denote cos theta plus I sin theta. Denote cos theta plus I sin theta is equal to e to power I theta. Cos theta plus I sin theta is equal to e to power I theta. Therefore, e to I theta means exponential formula. Therefore, z is equal to x plus iy is equal to r cos theta plus I into r sin theta. This is a Cartesian form, and this is a polar form. Or is equal to r common card cos theta plus I into sin theta. This is a polar form, and e is equal to r into this is e to power I theta. This is e to I theta. This is called Eulerian form. Okay, Eulerian form where theta is principal argument arg z, and r is equal to mod of z, that is square root of x square plus y square. This is called principal argument of z. Okay. Acha, remember, note mod of e to power I theta is equal to mod of cos theta plus I sin theta is equal to square root of cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Okay. Mod of z is equal to mod of r e to power I theta is equal to mod of r into cos theta plus I sin theta. Mod is equal to mod r into 1 is equal to mod r. Okay. Next, second one, cos alpha plus I sin alpha into cos beta plus I sin beta is equal to e to power I alpha into e to power I beta is equal to e to power I into alpha plus beta is equal to cos of alpha plus beta plus I sin alpha plus beta. तो cos alpha plus I sin alpha into cos beta plus I sin beta is equal to cos alpha plus beta plus I sin alpha plus beta. Okay, cos alpha plus beta plus I sin alpha plus beta. Okay, next, cos alpha plus I sin alpha divided by cos beta plus I sin beta. ये भी सही है, e to power I alpha divided by e to power I beta is equal to e to power I into alpha minus beta is equal to cos alpha minus beta plus I into sin alpha minus beta. Okay, so these are the Eulerian form. Okay. Next, properties of argument. Okay, let z1 is equal to r1 e to power I theta 1, z2 is equal to r2 e to power I theta 2. Both are belongs to complex number. Theta 1, theta 2 all are principal argument of z1, z2. Okay, so first property 1, arg of z1 into z2 is equal to arg z1 plus arg z2, arg z1 plus arg z2. Okay, next 2, arg of z1 by z2 is equal to, this is arg of z1 minus arg of z2. Okay, because this is log of m by n equal log m minus log n, same type, arg z1 minus arg z2. Okay, next 3, arg of z to power n is equal to n arg z, n arg z, n arg z. Okay, 4 arg of 1 by z is equal to arg 1 minus arg z. तो arg 1 is 0, arg 1 is 0 minus arg z, because arg 1 means 1 plus I into 0, argument of 1 plus I into 0, that is 0. 5 arg of z bar, arg of z bar means this is arg of z bar, z is this, z is equal to r e to power I theta. Okay, so minus arg z, because z lies in first quadrant and z bar lies in fourth quadrant, so theta lies in first quadrant, so minus theta कौन आसियो fourth quadrant, तो minus arg z. 6 arg of iz is equal to arg I plus arg z is equal to arg I means pi by 2 plus arg z. Okay, these are the properties, these are the properties of argument. Prove भी अच्छी मैं गोटे के लिए prove कर देखा ठीक है. 1 arg of z1 into z2. अच्छा z1 into z2 means e to power I theta 1 into e to power I theta 2 equal e to power I into theta 1 plus theta 2. Okay, तो arg of z1 means theta 1, arg of z2 theta 2, because this is arg of z1 करे theta 1, arg of z2 करे theta 2. Okay, तो arg of z1 into z2, this is the angle, is equal to theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to arg z1 plus arg z2. This is the proof of first one. Similarly other also same way karibo hella. These are the questions. Express the following complex number in polar form. Okay, so answer 1, given z is equal to 1 plus I root 3, polar form and Euclidean form, also in Euclidean form, also express in Euclidean form, Euclidean form. Okay, so given z is equal to 1 plus I root 3, first find mode of z. Mode of z is equal to mode of 1 plus I root 3 is equal to square root of 1 square plus root 3 square, that is 2. This is r, this is r. Okay, next arg of z, arg of z here x is 1, y is root 3, both are positive, so lies in first quadrant, so theta is equal to argument of z equal to tan inverse mode of y by x, tan inverse mode of root 3 by 1, this is tan inverse root 3 is equal to pi by 3, tan inverse root 3 means 60 degree. So this is argument of z. Therefore z is equal to 1 plus I root 3 r into cos theta plus I sin theta. This is theta. Okay, so r is what? R is 2. This is cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3. This is polar form. Okay, this is polar form. Polar form is equal to 2 into e to power I pi by 3. This is Eulerian form. Eulerian form. Okay, next question number 2. Question number 1 is over. Question number 2. 2 is equal to, let z is equal to minus 16 plus divided by 1 plus I root 3. So first find, so first simplify this. So multiplying the conjugate of 1 minus I root 3, 1 plus I root 3 is equal to minus 16 into 1 minus I root 3 divided by 1 plus I root 3 into 1 minus I root 3. So is equal to minus 16 into 1 minus I root 3. divided by this is 1 square plus root 3 square. This is minus 16. So minus 16 into 1 minus I root 3. So this is minus 4 by 4. So this is minus 4 into 1 minus I root 3 is equal to minus 4 plus 4 root 3 I. So x is equal to minus 4, y is equal to 4 root 3 I, 4 root 3. So lies in second quadrant. Z lies in second quadrant. Okay. Therefore mode of z is equal to r is equal to square root of minus 4 square plus 4 root 3 square. So 16 plus 48. So 64 root 8. Okay. तापरे आर्गा प्रिंसिपल आर्गुमेंट ऑफ z आर्गुमेंट मीन्स प्रिंसिपल आर्गुमेंट इज इक्वल टू लाइज इन सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट. तो पाई माइनस tan इनवर्स मोड ऑफ y बाई एक्स. तो पाई माइनस tan इनवर्स मोड ऑफ y मीन्स 4 रूट 3 डिवाइड बाई माइनस 4 कैंसल. तो पाई माइनस tan इनवर्स ओनली रूट 3 बिकॉज माइनस रूट 3 मोड इज प्लस रूट 3. तो इज इक्वल टू पाई माइनस पाई बाई 3 इज इक्वल टू 2 पाई बाई 3. ओके. पाई माइनस tan रूट 3 నుంచి पाई बाई 3. तो पाई माइनस पाई बाई 3 इक्वल टू 2 पाई बाई 3. Therefore z is equal to minus 16 by 1 plus I root 3 is equal to this is r into cos theta plus I sin theta. So what is r? R is 8 into cos theta is 2 pi by 3 plus I into sin 2 pi by 3. Okay, so this is polar form. Is equal to 8 into e to power I 2 pi by 3. This is Eulerian form. R e to power I theta. Okay. Next question number 3. Third one. Z is equal to I minus 1 by cos pi by 3 minus I sin pi by 3. Suppose this is Z1 by Z2. Okay. First find mode of Z. Mode of Z means mode of I minus 1 by cos pi by 3 minus I sin pi by 3 is equal to mode of I minus 1 divided by mode of cos pi by 3 minus I sin pi by 3. Okay. So is equal to this is square root of 1 square plus minus 1 square, that means root 2 divided by this is square root of cos square pi by 3 plus minus sin pi by 3 square is equal by 1 asila. तो is equal to root 2. तो mode of z आसीगला. नेक्स्ट arg principal argument of z equal to arg of z1 by z2 is equal to arg z1 minus arg z2. Okay. Arg z1 minus arg z2. तो arg of I minus 1 minus arg of cos pi by 3 minus I sin pi by 3. So this is here x is minus 1, y is 1. X is minus 1 because I minus 1. तो minus 1 is real part, I is imaginary part. So x is minus 1, y is plus 1. So lies in second quadrant. So second quadrant argument means what? Pi minus tan inverse mode of 1 by minus 1 minus this is pi by 3. Argument is this is pi by 3 is equal to pi minus tan inverse 1 minus pi by 3 is equal to pi minus pi by 4 minus pi by 3. Find the LCM 12. So this is 12 pi minus 3 pi minus 4 pi is equal to 5 pi by 12. This is our principal argument of z. Okay. Therefore z in polar form means what? Mode of r into cos theta plus I sin theta, r into cos theta plus I sin theta. So is equal to r means what? R is root 2. This is r is root 2. R is root 2. So this is root 2. Cos theta, this is theta angle. This is a theta angle. So 5 pi by 12 plus I sin 5 pi by 12. This is in the polar form. Which is in polar form. Is equal to root 2 into e to power I 5 pi by 12. This is in Eulerian form. This is Eulerian form. Eulerian form, and this is polar form. Okay. One is polar form and another one is Eulerian form. Okay. In next class we shall do the problems of other problems of complex numbers. Okay.